I'm going to stand for this interview, Mike. Holy
There you
cow.
go.
There we go. All right.
for
Thanks
you.
very much, Mel. Do need some exercise. We could run up and have this outside somewhere. You want to do that?
Gosh, what's that?
We could do this meet up somewhere. We could run over there and get together.
That's okay. I'm trying to cut down.
Okay. All right. Let's talk planes. Lots of airline business going on right now.
Yeah, and indeed. We've got numbers in from Air Canada and WestJet, Roger. Both companies weathering the storm, so to speak, of the grounding of the 737 MAX Boeing planes. Air Canada made $600 million plus in the latest quarter. WestJet had its second best ever third quarter with the profit of $119 million. Both of these companies also have deals in the works. Air Canada is buying Air Transat. WestJet's being bought out by Onyx. So some good numbers here. And, you know, it used to be that these airlines used to struggle globally. You know, the old adage, if you want to, how do you turn a large fortune into a small one? You start an airline. The industry is restructured and seems to be on a solid footing. Now, today, of note,
this will be a big one.
Dennis Muhlenberg, the CEO of Boeing, will be testifying to 2 U.S. congressional committees, one in the House, one in the Senate, and this will all be about the grounding of the 737 MAX jets. And the prepared statement, which is already out, is basically saying that they take full responsibility for what happened with the 737 MAX, the 2 fatal crashes. They made mistakes, and they are owning it, and they are going to fix those planes and get them recertified. So that's going to be, though, heated grilling. You got to figure that the congressional members of those 2 panels will be wanting to make their statements, so to speak, and get on the 6 o'clock news for their districts. And Muhlenberg's going to have some tough questions to answer, certainly.
Well, I think some legitimate questions and concerns.
Oh, absolutely.
Right?
You know, the procedural failures that it looks like that took those planes down are certainly significant, and this company is going to have to rebuild investor confidence.
All right, one more thing, Beyond Meat.
Yes.
Showing a little bump there.
Well, you know what? They're making money, which is pretty good for an early-stage company. Sales up 250% year over year. They've been signing all sorts of contracts and supply. There are a lot of competitors coming on. Nestle's is coming into Costco and with their product, and Kellogg's is doing something with in the States as well in this plant-based protein category. At the same time, however, Beyond Meat, of course, was one of these high-flying stocks early in the year. Went out at 25, peaked at 220. This morning it's around 95, so it's still doing fine. But a lot of new shares actually came on the market last night because early investors had a so-called lockup agreement. They can't sell to a certain point. They can now sell their stock if they choose to cash in, and there are some more shares coming into the market, so a little bit more supply. And the share price down about 10% so far this morning.
Okay. All right, Michael. And the adage is, how do you make $1 million in the airline industry? Invest $10 million.
Yeah, that's right.
All right. Have yourself a great day, sir.
That can be said for a few things, but yeah, that one fits.
Yeah, I can think of some. The Bitcoin, one of them. All right.
Oh, yeah.
Time to go, sir.
Bye.
Thank you. Have a great one. We got more on BT coming up after the break.